Have you ever come across some nugget of wisdom that you wanted to collect and save? This is where Quotempole can help. Quotempole is an application for gathering, organizing, sharing, and commenting on quotes. With our Quotempole Chrome extension, capturing quotes is easy. Highlight any quotable text, click on the Quotempole extension icon, edit any of the captured information such as the author, reference, or tags, click Add Quote, and your quote is saved to your Quotempole collection. From Quotempole, you can organize your quotes and edit their information at any time. Since all of your quotes are saved in one place, you can easily look up and organize all of the inspiration you have collected. You can publish your quotes or quote lists to groups so that other members of the group can see them and add their comments. Not everyone may enjoy collecting quotes, but everyone has an opinion. When you comment on a quote that has been shared with the group, the other persons in your group are notified and can share their opinions as well. New activity from your groups shows up in their activity page. Only members of your group can see your comments. Join the quoting community. Sign up for a free account at quotempole.com. Capture, comment, and share quotes from current news, articles, books, and YouTube videos. Share your intelligence.